The future of Indian tech talent in the United States could soon depend on a single policy shift. 7 lawmakers from both Republican and Democratic parties have urged President Donald Trump and Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick to roll back a proposed $100,000 fee on new H-1B visa petitions filed for workers outside the US. The message is simple. This move won't stop visa misuse, but it will punish innovation and drive skilled professionals, especially from India, towards other countries like Canada and the UK. India accounts for nearly 60% of all H-1B visa holders every year. Thousands of Indian students finishing their degrees in the US rely on the H-1B visa pathway to stay and work there. But if the new fee goes through, many will be forced to return to India just to complete visa formalities, risking job offers and continuity. The lawmakers' letter doesn't stop at criticism. It lays out a wish list reforms to make the H-1B system cleaner, fairer and more efficient. First wish is a tougher action on outsourcing firms. For years, larger staffing companies have used H-1B visas to replace American workers with cheaper labor. Lawmakers now want stricter audits and enforcements to weed out sham filings and misuse. This means fewer fake jobs and better chances for genuine engineers. For Indian talent, it could open doors to direct employment at product firms and research lab instead of middlemen. The second wish is visa portability. Changing jobs on an H-1B visa has long been a nightmare. The proposed reform would let workers switch employers without losing legal status. This could give Indian professionals more bargaining power, flexibility and protection during layoffs. A big win for fairness and stability. The third wish is updated wage and skill categories. H-1B rules still use outdated pay structures. The new proposal would align them with modern roles, especially in artificial intelligence, chip design, robotics and cybersecurity. Senior professionals could see better pay and recognition, through entry-level applicants may face tighter scrutiny. Fourth is a fairer fee structure. Lawmakers are clear a $100,000 entry fee is absurd. They want a reasonable cost that doesn't block startups or small businesses from hiring global talent. That balance could prevent big outsourcing firms from dominating the system while keeping opportunities open for Indian specialists. And finally, the wish of a stricter enforcement. Rules exist but often go unenforced. The lawmakers say it's a time to make compliance real, to ensure that only genuine employers and skilled workers benefit. If these ideas take shape, the winners will likely be mid to senior engineers in fields like AI, semiconductors and cybersecurity, and those working in research labs or startups. But early career graduates and bulk hiring firms may struggle to keep up. So what happens next could decide whether the United States remain the global magnet for high-skilled talent or if its brightest minds start looking elsewhere.